Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what you can expect if you order these Natural Farms 1 pound 100% emulsifying wax. This is what I ordered in June and I got it early July. It says expiration end of next year, so lasts I would say 1.5 years. That's pretty cool. Let's try and see if we can open that. It's somehow sealed, so let's open that carefully so we can still use this seal here. I think I have it open so we can remove. There's some kind of an inner bag here. This is good, so it's light protected. Here we have the additional bag. Yeah, nothing very professional, but I think we should be able to open that so we can use it maybe with a clamp or so later on. Let's see. Yeah, I think okay. Would be nice to have it a little bit more professional, this bag here, but I think it's still okay. So let's see what we get. Yeah, this is it. Exactly what we wanted. So I've been adding around 5% to a mixture of some oils and other things, and I have it here in the bottle and I heated it up to around 60 degrees Celsius and took it out, and then I've been shaking the whole mixture with this about 5% of this emulsifying wax, and you can see now I have a nice mixture. Definitely working, I would say. I think the temperature has been around 60 degrees. Let's check again after shaking. It's a little bit lower. Yeah, you can see 59 degrees Celsius, pretty close. By the way, in Fahrenheit, it's around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, you also want to see the end result. And so here's my emulsion or my lotion. Usually, even when I'm not shaking it, it has very nice, even white color. And when I open it, you can see how it looks. It's definitely white, but it's not perfect. I would say there are still some oily spots, some oily, I don't know how they are called, like oil bubbles. It's not a perfect emulsion. Maybe I should have used more heat, but it's definitely a big improvement. I still have to work on that. Also, I didn't use too much of the emulsifying wax. It was just about 5%. Maybe I should use 10% or so, but it's definitely an improvement. How I can use it, it feels more like a real lotion compared to the just oil and water which I had before. What I feel as a difference, I've also been using it in my face and it caused me a little bit of sweating. I don't know if this is natural or not. I just wanted to let you know. And so of course it needs a little bit of improvement, but it was my first own production, and so I'm pretty okay with that. And if you're interested into that, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this emulsifying wax so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.